Good evening. This is from Nexus Merodent again. Hope you guys are doing good. We have Mr. Mukesh with us today again. Highly talented, highly senior person in repairing all sort of handpieces and cartridges. And today he's with us to give us a quick preview how to repair a cartridge. We have with us a standard cartridge and we have a mini tool kit. Very simple kit. This kit costs about $1,000 or something, less than that. And with this you can fix so many type of cartridges and within less than 2 minutes. And so let's begin, Mr. Mukesh.
Yeah, so I'll show you how to dismantle this standard cartridge. You have to fix it here, very simple, and tight this, unscrew this. Once you tight this, this cartridge is open.
Oh, the cover is out. So now it has become an open cartridge.
Okay.
So that means these days there are so many open cartridges coming. So this was an additional step if you have a closed cartridge. If it's an open cartridge, you can skip this step and directly come to the second step, which is this. Removing the bearings.
So what you have to do is, with this tool, press it hard and
Bring this between. Oh, it is already out. It was
now
so
the bearing is out. Okay. I'll show you again.
Again. Slowly.
Fix it here,
Yes.
in between the,
Fan and the bearing.
yeah, so it's called impeller.
Impeller. Okay.
And you fix it here, press it down, okay, and then bearing is coming out.
Just turn it. Very fast and very simple.
It's hardly take 1 minute, less than 1 minute.
So the two bearings are out. Now you can change the bearings, buy new bearings, and then how do we assemble it back?
Okay, so I'll show you.
So we have another.
We have another
for
tool
that.
here for fixing the bearing. And slide it down, and bearing is going to the its original place.
Okay,
It's
just
fitted.
turn it. Wow, very fast, very simple.
This is the back bearing. The same way you fix it here, slide it down, see to it that it is in a center.
And a straight position.
Yeah,
Also, one more quick
And-
tip,
and it's fixed.
and it's fixed. Always take out the burr before you are repairing a cartridge.
Fixed.
So it's done. All new, given a new heart to a body. The bearings are the main component of a cartridge. If the bearing is changed, 90% work is done, and your cartridge and your handpiece is as good as new. And you just slide the cover back in.
That's it. Press it. That's it.
That's it. So fast, so quick. It was hardly 1.5 or 2 minutes. And we are all done here. So thank you so much. We've already started taking repairing jobs with Mr. Mukesh with us. Any sort of handpiece you want to get it repaired, you can contact us. We specialize in all sort of handpieces, light cures, endomotors, everything, and highly professional, and all the parts are original. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Stay safe.
Thank you.